Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade lentil soup easy method. Start by sautéing 1 diced onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks in 2 tablespoons of oil until soft. Add 1 cup rinsed lentils, 4 cups broth, and 1 teaspoon cumin, then simmer gently for 30 minutes until tender. Finish with salt to taste and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, then adjust seasoning and serve warm with crusty bread. Begin by gathering 1 cup lentils, 4 cups vegetable or chicken broth, and aromatic vegetables. Chop 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks into similar sizes for even cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil, then sweat the vegetables until translucent, not browned, to keep a gentle flavor. Add spices like 1 teaspoon cumin and ½ teaspoon smoked paprika, then pour in lentils and broth, bringing everything to a gentle simmer. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and hit like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for cozy, durable socks backed by a lifetime warranty, perfect when you're standing at the stove stirring soup. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Maintain a low simmer so lentils cook evenly and you keep shape without turning mushy. Taste and add salt after lentils are tender, since salt early can slow cooking. If you want creamier texture, use an immersion blender on 1/4 to 1/2 of the pot, leaving the rest whole for body. Finish with a splash of lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil to brighten flavors before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.